Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to clean your door panels to any vehicle. There's 4 things you need: a dish full of water, a scrub brush, Dawn soap, and goo. First you want to get the goo stuff and I gotta put on the goo stuff and I'll get you. Okay, got the goo on. You can see it looks like bird poop. Now you want to get your Dawn soap. Any Dawn soap you want. I like to use the platinum stuff that we ran out. So, just start putting it all over your door panel. Links in description for the tutorial video how to get this door panel off. Okay, that looks like enough Dawn soap. Does it, Cheetos? Yes. Now get your scrub brush. Start scrubbing. I want to get it everywhere. You want to mix it into... The goo stuff is for the germ. The Dawn soap is for the germs. And the goo stuff is for the grease and nasty food. As you can see, if you watch the series of the Ratatouille Jeep, it's the most disgusting Jeep on the planet. You say otherwise. Had you found a dozen dead mice in your Jeep? I don't think so. If so, why? Where do you have it parked? You get it really good everywhere. Oh, sorry about that. I forgot to get that thing out. Oh well. Sorry for the bad lighting. I'm doing this. Guess where? The basement. Ooh. I bet you guys never seen that here. Except the people. Yeah. Okay, now dip it in. Let me dip it in. Do it again. Yeah, once I do it, I'll get back. Okay, now we got everything on. Now I'll get washcloth number 1. Oops, this is washcloth number 1. Just to wipe everything off of it. You know how to wipe stuff off. If you don't, actually feel bad for you. Everybody knows how to use a washcloth on, I don't know, anything. So, I'm going to wipe it all off, and I'll show you guys what next to use. Now, you want to use this wet washcloth, get it all wet, and wipe the remaining stuff off. Get it in that door, the little pocket there, the little door handle on this supposedly foam. Get it there. Get in this little lever area where grab handle, Get this little corner piece everywhere. Rinse this off in there if you need to. There we go, all foamy in there. And I'll start wiping again. And you guys know what to do, so I'll get you guys for the last step. Okay, last step, guys. Guess what? You get your drying towel. Let's start drying it. Yeah, once again, I'm sorry about the lighting. Once again, I'm in a basement. Ooh, basement. Everybody loves basements. Second most exciting part of the property. Outside's the best. That's where the vehicles are. Oh no, not the Dawn soap. No. Get these little cracks. Cracks are just for show. So if you want, you can go up and go in your, I don't know, wherever you hold glue. Just glue in these cracks, because I just find them very, very useless. It's like, what's the purpose of them? Design? Because they look pretty bad and ugly, not gonna lie. I'm sorry, but they do. Oh, it's too wet. That's too dirty. I gotta go get another one. Hey, guess what, everybody? It's clean. Ignore whatever that was, but now it's clean. Look at that. Wow. Ignore the little specks of dirt. Just from, I don't know, dirtiness of the washcloth because it's so clean. Oh, man. Well, I don't know why I cleaned this thing, but you guys are probably asking the same question. I don't know. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like, a comment down below if you have any other suggestions for videos. If you really want to see more videos, subscribe please. That would really help a lot. It would be really nice if you guys would subscribe. I make good content, more good content in the future. So guys, I'll catch you on a good one, next one. Bye.